In this video, I will show you how you can create a custom animation preset in Camtasia, which you can use again and again on other assets or video projects, so let's get started. First, let's create the text for the animation. We can select annotations and type in the text to be animated. We can make another copy of the same text and change the words. Next, we can select the first text and add the Camtasia preset template from the Behaviors panel. This is the default behavior of the scale animation. So let's change it to our custom need. First, we can change in effect to the animation. We can come out with a number of custom presets with these options here. There is no need for any change during the animation, so let's keep it the same none default. Next, for the animation out, we can select the flyer option, along with these smooth and speed effects. We can play the animation, and if satisfied with the custom effects, we can save the preset in the library by clicking this plus sign. And again, in the pop-up window, we can name the preset and save it. We can find the same preset in the Behaviors panel. We can add it to any text, image, or video to create the animation effect like this. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add new content.